ودعم مستشفى الشهيد محمد يوسف النجار بتركيب المرحلة الأولى من مشروع الطاقة الشمسية بقدرة 20 كيلو واط الخاص بقسم الغسيل الكلوي.
Electricity supply interruptions in hospitals can have a severe impact on the quality of care given to patients. Frequent electricity outages are particularly unacceptable for critical areas such as operating theatres, intensive care units, and nurseries. The use of diesel fuel generators to ensure consistent supply leads to increased operating costs due to high fuel prices and maintenance costs associated with the generators. Megapower supplied and installed a solar system with the battery banks for the dialysis clinic in Alnajjar Hospital in Rafah. Solar power can provide a valuable, cheap, and clean power supply with an excellent return on investment. Megapower thrives to offer clean energy for the health sector.